Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Hin, and today I'll be unboxing a set of DIY CO2 system. A lot of the CO2 system out there are just too expensive and unaffordable for a student like me. So I decided to get myself a DIY CO2 system. I brought mine from Taobao, and let's see what we have to work with in the box. So the ingredient I'm using here are baking soda and some citric acid. First, let's make ourselves a reactor pack or starter pack. Basically just a small pack of baking soda to help kickstart the reaction. Then for the bottle, it's recommended to use soda drink bottle because it's more safer this way. And don't forget to label them, just in case you might get confused in the future. I don't know what it's actually called in the first place, so I'll just name it lemon. Then I just pour in the whole pack. The ratio for mixing citric acid and water are 1:3. Then just mix them up well. For the baking soda, you just need a ratio of 1:1. Now let's put in our reactor pack and hold it up with a magnet. Then finally the main component, just assemble them together. Don't forget to fill in water in the bubble counter. And now with the diffuser all set, let's start the B-roll.